Hi everyone, so this is day 5 of the advent calendar opening, so I'm just going to get straight into it like I normally do. We haven't got time to sit here all day, have we? So it looks like it is a glitter fairy wings. Very pretty from what I can see. So let's have a look without spilling it. Oh, it's got butterflies in it. Oh, that's really pretty. Let's have a look. So it's got like iridescent ones, it's got pink ones, green ones. Oh wow, that's really pretty. I like that. That is super pretty. Look at that. Oh, that's really pretty and such a lovely name as well. Oh. So let's move on to the smileys. I'm going to open one of these ones again today. So it's another pot. Ooh. What are these? What are these? There is no name. So let's have a little look. So it's some Fimos. Oh, if I can open it. They got little like Santas on and everything, and little presents, Christmas trees. Oh, candy canes, little snowmen. Oh my god, they are so cute. I don't have anything like this. Oh, they are so cute. Oh, look at them. How cute are they? They are stinking cute. Oh, I love them. I don't have anything like this. Oh no, they are cute. Oh wow, I really like them. They're super cute. Super duper cute. So let's have a look at number 5, and this is the regular polish top coat. So let's have a look. Very pretty boxes. So this is a, and it's the top coat. I've just smeared it all now. So it is the top coat. So it's like a gel-like top coat. It's very thin. All my other ones have been like really thick. Oh, we'll definitely have to give that a wear test, won't we? And see what that's like. But yeah, it's always good to have another top coat. Always need top coats. Oh, all the time. Oh, I've got to replenish all my top coats. Oh, good job it's Christmas. Well, let me know down below what you think about these goodies from today. And let me know if you still want to see the unboxing. And yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and you will join me tomorrow for more undoings. And yeah, until then, take care, stay safe, and I will see you tomorrow, hopefully. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.